Hello everybody. Today we are going to look at two ways of obtaining ethanol. Right. The first way is a biological way where sugar is allowed to ferment in the presence of yeast. There are enzymes in the yeast which cause fermentation to occur. So fermentation takes place in the absence of air. Right. Oxygen is not present during fermentation. So this process of fermentation where yeast respire, this process is called anaerobic respiration. So anaerobic respiration results when yeast are allowed to react with glucose solution to form ethanol, and carbon dioxide gas is produced. Now, in order to get what we want, which is the ethanol solution, we have first got to remove the enzymes and the yeast. We got to remove the yeast in the solution. So we get rid of the yeast by simple filtration. Once the yeast are removed from the solution, we then obtain ethanol by a process called fractional distillation, right, where the ethanol is separated from the rest of the mixture by its boiling point. Okay, let's move on to look at another way of obtaining ethanol. This is a chemical process where ethene, an alkene, is allowed to react with steam. Now, this water is at a high temperature, of 570 degrees Celsius. 570 degrees Celsius. Under the conditions of high pressure, 60 to 70 atmospheres, and in the presence of a small amount of catalyst, which is concentrated phosphoric acid. This is to ensure that the rate of reaction is fast, okay? It's fast so that we can obtain ethanol at a fast, quickly. We can obtain this product quickly. So as you can see at this temperature, water, the bonds within water are broken. The OH bonds are broken. So the H is added to the C of this carbon. The OH group is added to the other C, okay? You can see next to it. So the atoms, okay? Hydrogen atom is added to this C, the OH group is added to the other C. So it's added across the CC double bond, forming a saturated compound here, right? So this is an addition reaction. Right? Right, and this process is called hydration, where water is, you're actually hydrating the molecule. You're hydrating ethene, by adding water across its CC double bond.